Hello, this is the Watch Me If You Can YouTube channel. Welcome. The channel is all about you guys, so I felt free and I invested into some of these goodies as you can see on the table. This would allow me to enhance further audio and video quality for the next videos to come. This is the brand new iPad 13-inch M4 Pro. Then we have the Apple Pencil Pro, which will allow us countless opportunities. And the Magic Keyboard is a must-have if you are editing videos with Final Cut Pro. And by the way, you just get an USB-C, so you need to get your own socket adapter. And I also got, for travel purposes, another case. So let's jump in and unbox all these goodies together. I'm going to start with the iPad and the rest of the goodies are following that. And this is the engraving that I got for the Apple Pencil Pro. Thank you for watching, guys. Please expect stunning content in the future. Thank you.